Hello बच्चों, welcome to Maths by DV. So we have a one question, integration 2x plus 3 upon x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 plus 1. चलो किस तरह से सॉल्व करेंगे देखते हैं. So as you can see here, we got 2x plus 3 in numerator. 2x plus 3 in numerator. So what is integration of 2x plus 3? X square plus 3x. Yes or no? So what I'm going to do is try to make denominator in terms of x square plus 3x. So कैसे करेंगे देखते हैं. As you can see here, we have a x here, we have a x plus 3 here. So multiplication of these two, x square plus 3x, and multiplication of this two term is again x square plus 3x plus 2. So we have x square plus 3x in one term, right? So actually in both term. So taking these two term together and this two term together. Okay. So what we get here, integration 2x plus 3 as it is, right? X into x plus 3, which is nothing but x square plus 3x, and x plus 1 into x plus 2, which is nothing but x square plus 3x plus 2, and last to 1/3, that is as it is. So now this is our simplified form. Now we are going to take this x square plus 3x equal to t, right? This x square plus 3x equal to t. So taking x square plus 3x equal to t. Now differentiating both side, what we get? X square, differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of 3x is 3. 2x plus 3 dx equal to dt. Yes, chalo. So replace 2x plus 3 dx by dt and x square plus 3x, x square plus 3x by t. So dt upon t into, this is t, this is t into t plus 2 plus 1. So this term can be rewritten as a 1 upon t square plus 2t plus 1 dt. Yes or no? Yes. So now what t square plus 2t plus 1 is nothing but t plus 1 whole square. Yes or no? This is denominator is nothing but t plus 1 whole square dt. So this can be rewritten as a t plus 1 whole raised to minus 2 dt, right? So again we know that integration of ax plus b whole raised to n dx is nothing but ax plus b whole raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, and coefficient of x is a, so we have to write a in denominator as well, plus c. So yes, from this we can say that integration of t plus 1 raised to minus 2 is nothing but t plus 1 whole raised to minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1, upon minus 1 plus c. So this is nothing but minus 1 upon t plus 1 plus c, and replace t by this term x square plus 3x. So minus 1 upon x square plus 3x plus 1 plus c. So this is nothing but our final answer, right? Thank you so much.